I'm a yogi and I'm passionate about finding connection, whether that be through yoga, through nature or human interaction. I became a teacher because I could see the benefits of this practice and I wanted to help others see that and feel that as well. Ultimately, my goal is to help others reach that place of calm and stillness within the mind that I'm able to reach. You could say that the outdoors brings my partner and I together, and we love sharing time in nature. We live in nature, we live with nature. Nature is like the container that's holding us as we move through this life together. Being outdoors inspires me, it grounds me and connects me to something that's bigger than just me.